Ever feel like your days blur together, filled with stress and endless tasks? You're not alone. The real secret to change isn't a massive overhaul, it's the small things you do every day. Think of your routine as the foundation of a house built brick by brick. A good routine gives your day structure and frees up mental space for what matters most. It's not a prison, it's your framework for freedom. Imagine waking up energized, knowing exactly what you need to do to feel your best. You move through your day with purpose, and at night, you're proud of what you've accomplished. This isn't a fantasy, it can be your reality. It all starts with building a daily routine that supports your health and happiness. You have the power to design a life you love, one simple habit at a time. The journey begins with a single step, and you can start today. No need to wait for a special date. The power to change is already inside you. In this guide, we'll break down the perfect day from morning to night. You'll get simple, practical tips anyone can use. Get ready to unlock your potential and transform your life. Your amazing future starts now. Let's dive in. The magic is in your daily routine. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Start with intention, not stress. Wake up just a bit earlier. 15 minutes is enough. Skip the phone. Hydrate with a big glass of water. Take a moment for quiet reflection. Meditate, pray, or simply breathe deeply. Inhale positivity. Exhale stress. Practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you're thankful for. Move your body. Gentle stretching wakes up your muscles and mind. These small habits, hydrating, reflecting, stretching, build a powerful foundation. They help you feel focused, positive, and energized. Win the morning, and you win the day. Make your morning routine your anchor. It's your secret weapon for success. Start strong, and the rest of your day will follow. The right morning changes everything. Food is fuel for your life. Choose wisely. Forget restrictive diets. Focus on whole, colorful foods. Eat the rainbow. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Each color brings unique nutrients your body needs. Plan your meals ahead to avoid unhealthy choices. Prep ingredients in advance for easy, healthy options. Never skip breakfast. A balanced meal jumpstarts your day. Eat mindfully. Sit down, slow down, and savor each bite. Avoid distractions like screens while eating. Notice flavors and textures. Listen to your body's signals. Mindful eating helps you enjoy food, improve digestion, and avoid overeating. Small changes in how you eat can transform your health. Nourish your body, and it will reward you. Our bodies are made to move, but modern life keeps us sitting. Regular activity isn't a luxury. It's essential for health and happiness. Exercise boosts your mood, sharpens your mind, and strengthens your body. You don't need hours at the gym. Consistency matters more than intensity. Find movement you enjoy. Walk, dance, bike, or stretch. Make it part of your daily routine, not a chore. Add movement throughout your day. Take the stairs, stretch at your desk, walk while on calls. Every step counts. Small bursts of activity add up. Movement is powerful medicine for body and mind. It melts away stress, lifts your mood, and keeps you energized. Choose activities that make you happy. Your body will thank you with more energy and a brighter outlook. Move daily and watch your life change. Remember, every bit of movement matters. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Distractions are everywhere, draining your energy and focus. The key to productivity is managing your attention, not just your time. Try time blocking. Schedule focused work sessions and treat them like appointments. Turn off notifications and eliminate distractions during these blocks. Identify your golden hours when you're most alert and tackle important tasks then. Use lower energy times for easier work. Take regular breaks. Work for 25 minutes, then rest for 5. Step away from screens, stretch, or get some fresh air. These habits recharge your brain and boost your productivity. Work smarter, not harder. Protect your focus, and you'll accomplish more with less stress. We thrive on connection. Relationships are vital for health and happiness. In busy lives, it's easy to neglect the people who matter most. Make time for meaningful connection every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Be fully present. Put away your phone and listen actively. Schedule connection like any other priority. Call a friend, share a meal, or send a thoughtful message. Small gestures, compliments, hugs, thank you notes strengthen bonds. Consistent acts of kindness boost happiness for you and others. Connection is a two-way street. When you give, you receive. Invest in your relationships daily. A happy life is a connected life. Nurture your bonds, and your well-being will flourish. Make connection a daily habit. Sleep is the foundation of a healthy, happy life. While you rest, your body repairs, your mind resets, and your energy is restored. Prioritize sleep by creating a calming bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed, read, listen to music, or take a warm bath instead. Make your bedroom a sanctuary. Cool, dark, and quiet. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body clock. If you can't sleep, get up and do something relaxing until you're tired. Quality sleep boosts your mood, focus, and health. A great day starts the night before. Invest in your rest, and you'll wake up ready to thrive. Small steps lead to big results. Start your new routine today. Your best life begins with a good night's sleep. Subscribe now for more tips on a healthier, happier you.